Okay, hello everyone. Again, taking inspiration from the today's session, which was Kuber, and where we saw that many of you have told us that you have not done your goal setting on the calculator. So I thought to take this opportunity, first of all, to congratulate everyone who has already purchased UPOS, and we see a very overwhelming response when people are buying the UPOS. But our main core is that when someone is buying a UPOS, it is only the start of the thing, it is not the end of the thing for us. So we want you to understand the potential of your UPOS, because still today we see that like the survey which we have done, 86% people are only focusing on the bill pay and recharge, which is not giving you that much revenue. Plus you have not done your own goal setting on your UPOS, which this calculator will tell you how you can do it. So I'm just taking you through that calculator, a very crisp presentation for you to understand how to set your goals on your UPOS, whatever you have as a financial goal, right? So I'll just start with the Excel. Okay, so this is the sheet which we have already given. It's in name of vendor and UPOS calculator. So we do UPOS and vendor calculation both with this. So what you have to do is you have to just select the tab given below, which is UPOS, and this page will come to you in front of you. Now you have to set your financial goal, that what you want to achieve from this, right? So let's say you have already purchased this UPOS for 54,000 rupees. Now what you have to do is write the amount of ROI that you expect from this business, because in every business, wherever you invest today, you buy franchise or you invest in your own business, you expect an ROI. A good ROI is approximately 15-20%. But in UPOS, we are telling you that you can earn a ROI of 100% at least. And for this, we always ask, like you have to also answer this, that how much, how many users you can bring into the system every month. And these users have to spend on their regular needs. We are not proposing him anything extraordinary, right? So we have kept it, even if you add 10 users each every month, I think it is a very big revenue which you are going to see in this right now. We are just telling you how to build your business. Like in today's discussion, it was like as soon you start any business, if you have invested something in any business, let's say you have invested 50 lakh rupees, you are actually serious about the business. So you keep on calling people, you tell about the people, but when the cost of UPOS is on a very lower side, which is 54,000, and what it can give you is something which you are not able to understand. Because when you invest 50 lakh rupees, you put almost a crore rupee effort in that. But for UPOS, we are asking a very small effort that can build even a business which is not giving you an ROI of more than 10%. Here we are assuring you that you will get at least 100% ROI, right? And for which we are asking you to only build a user base of 10 in each month. You can input that value here, how many users you can bring. And this is best part of this sheet is, if you want to work more, you can write it here. If let's say you see that no, I can bring 100 customers every month who do their regular shopping, big bazaar, big basket, shopper stop, or nearby vendor, or paying light electricity bill, or paying mobile bill, or buying loans, or buying cars, or whatever, right? So we are keeping it on a very lower side, which is only 10 users. Plus, there is a very beautiful feature in your UPOS, that you can make 18 agents who are as good as you, who are as good as individual UPOS, but the only difference between them and you is they are not going to pay you. They are not going to buy this UPOS. You can give your extension of a UPOS to them at free of cost. So this brings lot of value for you, because these 18 agents, if you tell them that you need not to invest anything, and whatever we earn, you take 50% and I take 50%, right? So anybody will be interested in working on your UPOS, right? Now just assume again, as you were bringing in 10 customers, ask them to also bring in 10 customers. Even if you can reduce, if you want, you can reduce the number. They are agents, so just they can add let's say 5 users. So in totality, in a year's time, you will be having 120 users. And through your partners, because every partner, every agent will be bringing 18 users. 18 partners, agents will be using, bringing in 5 users every month. So they will bring approximately 1080 users, right? So in totality, you will be having almost 1200 users on your UPOS. Now, what you can sell to them? Just go on this sheet, do your goal setting. Just set how many of these will pay electricity bill through you, right? Let's say 60,000 rupees electricity, telephone, mobile, Amazon Prime, Easy, whatever it is there, they pay through you, right? Why they will pay through you? Because without you, it's a guaranteed zero for them. With you, it's a guaranteed cashback for them, right? There are several options. I will not go into that. But without you, a user is not getting even a single paisa extra from any vendor. Whereas your ecosystem will help you to gain at least 100% in form of GG coin, and rest 2% to 100% depending upon his choice of cashback, right? So any user will come to you. I'm 100% sure any user will come to you if you straightforward tell him what are the user benefit, right? Then I have taken in consideration that grocery bill for for a family of 4 to 5 people would be almost 1,20,000 per annum. Whatever number you see here is per annum. So same ways we have done, and all these blue columns can be customized. You just customize it. But if we have a standard thing, that let's assume that a family is spending approximately 5,76,000 and they are using your services, this is what you start to earn post 1 year. Because once your user base is ready with of 120 people, now you will be earning this much every year, right? Even your agent would be earning 4,14,000 every month by bringing only 5 customers every month. Only 5, 4,14,000 per annum. Not only this, now your bigger income is coming from your agents. That if they are earning 14 lakh rupees every year, they will also be giving the same income, because you have done a 50% partnership with them, no? Because they have not paid anything. So now you can go ahead and get 74 lakh 50,000 from your agents, which is getting splitted by the company only. Global Garner is doing this. But this brings a total value of almost 2 crore 50 2 crore 50 lakh for you as a UPOS. And I'm not reselling it. You have already been sold. Please understand, we are just making you realize what is the income potential in your UPOS. Secondly, this income has come because of the referral income, that because whoever the user will be on the UPOS, they will also get cashback, right? If even 10% of them are interested in my circle cashback, you are getting a referral of almost 1.2 crore rupees, and 90% are going for instant cashback. Still you are getting almost 6 lakh rupees approximately from that also. So as a whole, in UPOS, you have a potential, a standard potential of 2.5 crore rupee every year. Whereas you are putting your expectation to be only 54,000 rupees, because you are expecting 100% ROI, which is not possible in any other business. So you have to understand this, that this is world's biggest opportunity for you. Even if you make it a disaster, let's say everything you can make zero, though as a businessman you would understand that nothing can be zero when you start the trade. But if you make everything zero, then also your earning is on a very higher side, which is 1.2 crore rupees. Still, let's say you make your referral on income also zero, again still you are earning 4.39 lakh rupees every year. Let's make your users, the users you are bringing in, to zero, still you are earning 3.24 lakh, because you have 18 agents under you who are actually bringing in 5 users each. See the ROI. See the ROI. When we are doing almost everything zero, still the ROI is at its best. So you have to just do your calculation. Therefore, you will realize the power of UPOS. Again, I'll repeat myself. we are not selling this selling this to you, because you are already sold, you have already given us the money, but it is our effort to make you realize what you can earn. Your biggest earning comes from groceries, clothing, insurance. You are getting 5% just to give that lead to that insurance company. You are getting on loans 0.25%, which is, let's say you are giving a 10 lakh rupees loan, if still you are earning 2,500 rupees without doing anything. So this is the power. These are the few segments that we have taken. So I think you should focus on the UPOS calculator, put numbers as per your desire. I'm not asking to put numbers which I am telling you. If you feel that, let's say your light bill is only 2,000 rupees and rest everything including, you are only spending, let's say 3,000 rupees, just write it 36,000 here, right? Let's say 100% user are doing this much. Grocery, if you feel the people are not buying 10,000 rupees grocery every month, put it whatever number you want, let's say 60,000 rupees, put it like that. Clothing, let's say we feel that clothing people will not buy 60,000 worth rupees clothing, let's say it is 20,000 rupees per annum for the family of five people. I don't think so it will happen, but let's assume that only. Then insurance, let's say people are buying only 1 lakh rupees, right? Let's put it 100%, then 100%, right? Now again, assuming that you are selling loans, let's say you are able to sell 10 loans in a year, 10 loans in a year, which is easiest thing to do, but it's still, we believe that if you do 10 loans in a year, then also let's see what will be the number. Then it is all about the flight and everything. I have already taken on a very lower side, which is 3,000 rupees a month, 36,000 rupees a year. Again, on a lower side, if you want to reduce or increase, you can do it again. Let's say we make it 20,000. Then it is our travel and other food bills. Like we go to restaurants, we go to different location with family. And I have taken with a family of 5 people, 50,000 rupees a year, which is on a very lower side. No, even if you take one travel package for 2 people, it will cost you more than 50,000 rupees. I have given you this for the entire year, for the entire family, every restaurant bill, your weekly outing, everything comes under this 50,000 rupees. Let's assume that this also. This is how you should plan your product catalog, what you are going to pitch to your customers. This is really important for you, right? Then we have taken that miscellaneous expense, like you buy, sometime you buy mobile phone, sometime you buy LED, sometime you buy mixer for your kitchen, or miscellaneous expenses. I have taken it to be 1 lakh rupees per year. And let's again, it's not a compulsion. You can maybe reduce it to 50,000 also. I have no issue with that. Then you can sell real estate also through us, right? So let's not put real estate right now, because real estate is not everyone's cup of tea. If we make it zero, let's say it can be zero also, no issues. Till you see the income, 46 lakh rupees every year. And what a small investment you have done, and you have already have a cashback on it, you have GG coins on it, you have vouchers on it. Still you are earning almost 46 lakh rupees every year, which is huge. And this is coming through without even a single referral, without you having your own, even a single user of your own. It is agent who is doing the business. Let's say you are also having 10 user every month, 120 user after 1 year. Now see, 57 lakh rupees every year. And if even 10% of them are inclined toward getting into the My Circle thing, it will go up to 1.77 crores. So please practice this UPOS calculator at your home. This will bring a lot of confidence and the roadmap in your mind. Still, we are not calculating the high-end revenue products, because we have calculated only 2%, whereas in many segments you are getting more than 2%. We are not calculating the FIFO or RPP referrals that you will get. We are not calculating the vendor referrals that you are going to get. There are n number of you. You are the best person to create My Circle, because you already have a user base. So My Circle for you is the easiest thing, because you only have to refer 6 people and 6 UPV in fact. So it is the easiest task for you. So GG coin rate, because tomorrow, let's say you are earning 10 lakh rupees from every year. So you are also getting 1 crore rupees GG coin with this. You can first of all convert these coins in your own cashback in my circle into real money, or you can give it to your friends, family, and trade around it. We don't mind that. But this is the potential of this business, which is really good. And you have to practice this. I will attach the Excel along with this video of mine. Please go and do this maths with you. This will create a lot of vibrancy for you to understand the entire concept and the product which you have already purchased. Again and again, I am saying this. This is our effort to tell you that what you have purchased and what is the capacity of that product. You have purchased, like Raman Bhaiya said, you have purchased a Ferrari, but you are handling it as a not even cycle, right? So you have to know the potential of this product. You have already purchased it. I am 100% sure you had that vision, you saw that thing in this you pause, but still you are not practicing it. Tell it to more and more people. You add users. The as normal business you do marketing, you tell it to your friends, do it regular basis. Slowly and gradually in a year's time you will be building this business. If you can make 120 users immediately, this income will start immediately. If even you are doing it one step at a time and you are adding only 10 users every month, still the income is super cool, right? And add agents, because people who are not ready to buy UPOS, you can add them as an agent. So this is some good calculator. Please practice this. And I don't want ki next time when we do any meeting and you tell us that you have not practiced this calculator. Thank you very much.